We're going to the panda show. Now, it just rained while we're eating in the first part. So now it's starting to get colder and colder and colder. Yeah, so we're going to the panda show with our car. It's a little far, guys.
Canton Social Carnival.
Oh, we're going to the panda show. Istana Panda. Feeding red pandas, feeding elephant corner, feeding giraffes. There's a water park. Whoa. Okay, cool. Yeah, so this is the part 2, guys. Whoa. This is the dolphin show, and this is the giant panda. Wow! Last time we ever go here, there's like a cowboy show. I was still so small, so I'm so scared about that gun shoot. You can watch it yourself. Whoa! We're going to the panda. Look at it. We're going to the panda. Whoa! Yo!
You want di pinggir.
Oh my god, guys, we're moving! Oh! Let's go! Oh my god. Hey, yo, what? This is so... Oh my god, it's so moving so hard. Okay, I got this thing in. Oh! Okay, guys, it's so fast. Oh! Okay, go. This bus is... Hey, yo, what? Oh my god. Guys, this is not my first time riding this bus. I ever ride this bus with my family like a long time ago. So I forgot a lot of the adventures, but now I will remember it. And whoa! What is that other bus? Whoa! That's very... Oh my god. Oh, guys! Oh. Okay, this is a little scary. Oh my god. We're heading to Panda Show. This bus will meet. What the? Hello? What are you doing? Oh my god, the bus meet! Okay, we're alright. Whoa! Guys, day number 2 is the excited part, so that's why I made part number 2. Okay, we're going up. Here we go. Whoa! Look at the biggest mountain of all! Whoa! Look at the mountains. There's a camel in the panda place. What the? Whoa! Look at this. Whee. Hey yo! Woo! Look at this. We're on the 3rd floor. Now where do we go? Oh! Entrance. Just right over here. Whoa! Look at this. Whoa! Oh, red panda is my favorite. The evolution of pandas. I mean bears. This is a baby panda.
Newborn, then it became one.
Okay. There's a hospital. Whoa. Hey, are you sick, buddy? Buddy, are you sick? It's okay. Aw, cute. Hey panda, those are real pandas, guys. Those are real pandas. Whoa, it's so cute. Whoa. Hello. It's so cute. This panda's name is called Chai Town. Whoa. So because it just rained, the panda is inside there. It was actually in here. Oh, look at that pond. Hey, look at the panda. Hello, panda. Okay. What else? Look, happens. Oh.
What's that?
Wait, no. What is that? Is that a goat? Packing over there, guys. Can you see over there? Like an animal. Okay, let's move. Let's move on. Guys, imagine if this animal will be added in Adopt Me. Look at the red panda. It's so cute.
Boleh silakan kakak mau feeding sama panda merahnya.
Oh. at this. Okay, I'm gonna feed the red panda. Or maybe not. It was too expensive. Aww. Ooh, we're gonna buy the pandas. Whoa. Aw, this is cute. Ooh, this one is cute too. Okay guys, we're going to see penguins.
Look at your camera. Look at your camera.
It's so cute.
Ini di casing.
Aw,
And the buttons. One.
Ini di casing.
oh, those are very cute. Oh. Okay, let's see underwater. Whoa. Okay. So we're gonna come in this. Oh, the igloo. Hey, penguin. Hey. Aw. They're very cute. Whoa. Oh. Oh.
Siap? Siap. Musik.
Guys, we just danced for a wash hand.
Anak kebersihan pula, inilah dia kakak tua Galerita, kakak tua Jambul Kuning hadir untuk Anda. Kita akan saksikan bersama seperti apa gambaran nasib malam dari burung kakak tua. Dan seperti inilah gambaran nasib malam burung kakak tua di habitatnya. Lihatlah, mereka berkapal lemah, tidak berdaya, akibat ditembak, diburu. Tidak sampai benar-benar punah. Kita berikan tepuk tangan yang pertama untuk Marcelo saja. Ancang-ancang dan terbang.
Oh my God.
Apakah coba ayam kata pun mampu melintasi 3 lingkaran sekaligus? Seperti apa sih? Kita
Bro.
berikan tepuk tangan semangat dong ya.
Oh. Wow. Oh my God. Wow.
Karena sangat mudah, Anda perlu menyediakan selembar uang kertas berwarna. Ini yang mana targetnya? Tidak bisa, agar tidak mengganggu konsentrasi dari guru.
Wow. A cat. Two kittens.
I was dancing with my to the Tennessee walls when an old friend I happened to see introduced.
Oh, I knew it. Kejar-kejaran ya kan dognya.
Kita berikan tepuk tangan yang paling meriah. Segera berlangsung.
Where is the bird?
So cool. Oh, going back.
Dan silakan yang mau menjadi sesuatu ambulan sudah luruskan ditahan yang paling kuat ya. Di sini
Sama belakang.
itu besar akan kita depan yang
Lagi video.
Oke, media burung bangsa mereka berada di atas puncak rantai makanan atau puncak predator. Apabila di satu kawasan masih terlihat aktivitas dari mereka menentukan kita nanti. Sebenarnya burung garuda ada selama ini. Burung garuda itu ada burung yang nyata. Burung elang Jawa ada pun Jawa juga ada memanggakan burung garuda di kawasan mana.
This is Garuda Pancasila. Okay guys, we're back in the hotel after going to the Taman Safari and we're in the game room. We got some controller, Nintendo Switch. We're gonna play this thing. Woo! Whoa, look at this gameplay.